Every single day, giant factories transform millions of fresh watermelons into refreshing juice bottles using massive high-speed machines. But what really happens inside these giant factories before watermelon juice reaches your table?
The journey of every watermelon juice bottle begins in massive farms like these. Millions of ripe watermelons are harvested every day for juice production around the world.
Only the freshest and juiciest watermelons are selected for premium juice production. After harvesting, the watermelons begin their journey to giant juice factories. These trucks carry thousands of kilograms of fresh fruit every single day. Inside this giant factory, fresh watermelons are transformed into bottled juice at incredible speed. Every watermelon must be inspected before entering production. Damaged or unripe fruit is removed to maintain perfect juice quality. Before processing begins, every watermelon is cleaned using powerful washing systems. These washing systems remove dirt and prepare the fruit for slicing. Massive automated brushes clean thousands of watermelons every hour. After washing, the watermelons look almost perfect. Now the fruit moves toward the most satisfying stage of production. These giant slicing systems can cut thousands of watermelons in minutes. And this is where the transformation truly begins. Fresh watermelon juice begins flowing immediately after slicing. Massive extraction machines separate juice, pulp, and seeds at incredible speed.
Inside these giant machines, fresh watermelon transforms into smooth juice within seconds.
Rivers of fresh juice now travel through giant factory pipelines. Advanced filters remove seeds and unwanted pulp to create smooth, refreshing juice. But the most satisfying part of the factory is still coming next. Fresh juice is stored temporarily inside giant temperature-controlled tanks before processing continues. At this stage, the juice develops its smooth and refreshing texture.
Automated systems carefully balance ingredients to maintain the perfect flavor. Every ingredient is measured precisely for consistent taste and quality.
These giant mixers blend thousands of liters of juice every single hour. Within minutes, the juice becomes incredibly smooth and refreshing. Now the juice moves deeper into the factory for advanced purification. Powerful filtration systems remove tiny particles to create ultra-smooth juice. Even the smallest particles are removed during this process. These advanced systems keep the juice clean, smooth, and consistent. After filtration, the juice is rapidly cooled to preserve freshness. Cold temperatures help maintain the refreshing taste of the juice. The juice is carefully pasteurized to ensure safety and long shelf life. Temperature control is critical during this stage of production. Workers constantly monitor the systems to maintain perfect processing conditions. Now the juice is finally ready to become bottled watermelon drink. Every bottle must be perfectly clean before filling begins. Inside the filling department, thousands of bottles move every minute. Advanced washing systems sanitize every bottle automatically. Even microscopic particles are removed before filling starts. And now comes one of the most satisfying moments in an entire factory. These giant filling systems operate with incredible precision and speed. Fresh watermelon juice now fills hundreds of bottles every few seconds. This entire line works non-stop to meet global demand for watermelon juice. Once filled, the bottles continue moving automatically through the next production stage. The cold bottles instantly create a refreshing appearance. High-speed capping systems seal every bottle within seconds. Now the bottles move to automated labeling machines. These machines apply thousands of labels every single hour. Precision is critical during the labeling process. The production line now moves faster than ever. Workers carefully monitor the entire process to ensure consistent quality. Massive robotic systems organize the bottles for shipment.
These robotic arms can package hundreds of bottles every minute.
The bottles are automatically packed into shipping cartons. Inside the warehouse, thousands of juice cartons wait for shipment. Now the products begin their final journey towards stores around the world. Massive shipments leave the factory every single day. Each truck carries thousands of bottles of watermelon juice. Every shipment must be secured carefully before transportation. From this factory, watermelon juice travels across cities and countries every day. The journey from farm to bottle is finally complete. And now comes the most refreshing moment of all. Fresh watermelon juice is now ready to drink. Cold, refreshing, and produced with incredible precision. Millions of bottles are produced every day using giant high-speed factory systems. And it all started with a single watermelon growing under the summer sun. The factory continues operating day and night without stopping.
Every hour, thousands of fresh juice bottles leave the production line.
Advanced automation keeps the entire factory running smoothly. Precision and timing are critical inside every modern juice factory. Inside the warehouse, giant shipments wait for distribution across the country. Every movement inside the warehouse is carefully organized for maximum efficiency. Even the transportation systems inside the factory operate with precision. At the loading docks, shipments are prepared non-stop throughout the night. From here, the juice begins its journey towards stores and supermarkets everywhere. Within hours, the fresh juice reaches supermarkets and retail stores. The cold bottles are carefully stored to maintain freshness. What started as a watermelon in the field is now ready for millions of customers. And this is the refreshing moment the entire process was built for. Fresh watermelon juice finally reaches the glass perfectly chilled and ready to enjoy. Cold temperatures and fresh ingredients create the perfect refreshing drink. Modern factories combine speed, technology, and precision to create every bottle. Even while the world sleeps, these giant factories continue producing fresh juice non-stop. And that is how millions of watermelon juice bottles are made every single day. One of the most satisfying moments is the massive slicing process. Rivers of fresh juice move continuously through the factory every hour. The filling process combines incredible speed with perfect precision. Advanced robotic systems prepare thousands of shipments every day. Inside the warehouse, the finished products wait for global distribution. Massive shipments leave the factory every single night. The journey from farm to bottle continues far beyond the factory. Soon the bottles arrive in stores completely chilled and ready to drink. And now comes the refreshing moment everyone waits for. Modern technology transforms fresh fruit into millions of refreshing drinks every day.